Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to uninstall apps using PowerShell in Windows. To start, you must right-click on Start menu, click on Terminal Admin and click Yes to access. After that, in the PowerShell console, execute the command on the screen, press Enter. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Here you will take into account the name of the app to uninstall. Check from the search that the application is installed. Now in the terminal, you are going to uninstall the application using the on-screen command. Finally, confirm that the app has been uninstalled. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.